If you're looking for a sewing machine under $150, let me be honest with you right away, this price range is full of traps. Some machines are genuinely helpful for beginners, repairs, and casual projects. And some are basically frustration in a box. So in this video, I'm breaking down the best affordable sewing machines under $150, ranked from number 10 all the way to number 1, based on real-world usability, reliability, and who each machine actually makes sense for. No hype. No pretending these are professional machines. Just straight talk so you don't waste your money. Let's start with number 10. Number 10. MagicFly MF600. This is one of those machines that looks like a toy at first glance, and honestly, for some people, that's exactly what it is. The MagicFly MF600 is a mini sewing machine designed for kids, absolute beginners, or people who only need to do very small jobs. It has just one stitch type, 2 speeds, and no backstitch, so you're not doing anything fancy here. That said, it does actually sew. It can handle basic repairs, doll clothes, crafts, masks, and very lightweight garments. One thing that really stands out is that it can run on batteries or wall power, which is rare at this price. It's super portable, and it comes with a surprisingly large accessory kit, including an extension table and storage bag. But let's be clear, tension is sensitive, there's no stitch control, and experienced sewists usually hate this machine. This is not a growth machine. It's a learning tool or emergency machine, and only makes sense if your expectations are very realistic. Number 9. Melee RXM001. This is another compact, ultra-budget sewing machine, but it offers a bit more flexibility than the MagicFly. You get 12 built-in stitches, dual speed control, a foot pedal, a built-in light, and even the option to run it on batteries. It's lightweight, portable, and easy to store, which makes it popular with beginners, kids, and people in small apartments. When it works fine for light fabrics, hemming, basic mending, and crafts. Many first-time users actually enjoy learning on it because it's slow and not intimidating. The downside is quality control. A lot of users report thread tangling, needle breakage, foot pedals that act more like an on/off switch, and battery mode that's unreliable for real sewing. It struggles badly with thicker fabrics and layered seams. This is a starter-only machine. It's useful for learning and quick fixes, but it's not something you buy expecting long-term reliability. Number 8. Brother FEIYUE1757X. Now, this is where things start to feel more like a real sewing machine. The FEIYUE1757X is a mechanical brother machine with 17 built-in stitches, a free arm, bright LED lighting, and a jam-resistant top drop-in bobbin. One of its biggest advantages at this price is the included extension table, which makes a big difference for larger projects like quilts or home decor. It's easy to set up, beginner-friendly, and reliable for everyday sewing repairs, clothing, light canvas, and simple crafts. A lot of people buy this for classes, gifts, or as a re-entry machine after years away from sewing. There are a couple quirks. The buttonhole is 4-step, not automatic, and the auto needle threader is inconsistent depending on the unit. And while it can handle thicker fabrics occasionally, it's not meant for heavy-duty or non-stop sewing. Still, for the price, this is a very solid value machine. Number 7. Brother XM3700. This is one of Brother's most popular beginner machines, and for good reason. You get 37 built-in stitches, a 1-step automatic buttonhole, an automatic needle threader, jam-resistant drop-in bobbin, and a free arm. Everything is clearly labeled, easy to understand, and friendly to someone who's never touched a sewing machine before. It handles everyday fabrics really well, runs quietly, and produces clean, consistent stitches. It's great for garments, crafts, cosplay, masks, and general home sewing. A lot of experienced sewists even keep this as a backup or teaching machine. What it doesn't do is heavy-duty work. Thick denim stacks, upholstery, and heavy canvas are not its strength. It's also not computerized, and there's no speed lock slider. But as a safe, proven beginner machine, the XM3700 is still a great buy under $150 when priced right. Number 6. Leempa 728. This is a lightweight, all-in-one portable machine that's clearly designed for absolute beginners. It weighs just over 5 pounds, has a top drop-in bobbin, automatic needle threader, dual speed control, LED lighting, and the option to sew with either a foot pedal or start/stop button. What really makes this machine stand out is the starter bundle. It comes with thread, tools, an extension table, and arrives basically ready to sew. For someone who wants to open the box and start immediately, this is appealing. Performance-wise, it handles light to medium fabrics surprisingly well, including elastic waistbands and layered cotton within reason. It's quiet and smooth when everything is working properly. The trade-off is durability. It's plastic heavy, not powerful enough for thick fabrics, and quality control can be hit or miss. Some users report pedal issues or limited speed control. This is a confidence builder machine, not a long-term workhorse. Number 5. Singer M1500. This is Singer's ultra-basic, full-size mechanical machine, and it's really aimed at 3 groups: kids learning to sew, beginners who want the simplest setup possible, and experienced sewists who want a lightweight backup machine. It offers 57 stitch applications, but in reality that breaks down into just 6 stitch types, all preset. There's no stitch length or width adjustment, and buttonholes are done in 4 steps. The machine is lightweight, compact, and easy to store. Stitch quality is decent on light to medium fabrics, but it's not meant for thick materials. One of the biggest downsides is the front-load bobbin, which many beginners find confusing and prone to jamming. There's also no automatic needle threader and a lot of plastic parts. This is a minimalist machine. It works for basics, but most users outgrow it quickly. Number 4. Brother XM2701. This machine is extremely popular, but it's also one of the most debated. It has 27 built-in stitches, an automatic needle threader, jam-resistant top-drop bobbin, and very clear labeling. Setup is easy, and it's very unintimidating for beginners. Where it struggles is stitch quality. In testing, stitches can be uneven, especially zigzag and decorative stitches. Buttonholes are weak, and it doesn't handle thick fabrics well. That said, beginners often love this machine because it's forgiving, quiet, and easy to learn on. It's fine for mending, hemming, and basic projects, just don't expect showroom-quality stitches. It's a machine you buy when budget is tight and simplicity matters more than perfection. Number 3. FEIYUE FYE350. This machine is very different from everything else on this list. It uses a servo motor, which gives it strong torque, ultra-low speed control, and better energy efficiency. It's designed to handle denim, canvas, vinyl, and even light leather, which is rare under $150. When you get a good unit, this machine is impressive. It sews quietly, powers through thick layers, and offers adjustable presser foot pressure, one-step buttonholes, LED lighting, and solid stitch control. The downside is quality control. Some users report electronic failures, foot pedal sensitivity issues, and dead-on-arrival units. Customer support can be inconsistent. This is a high-risk, high-reward machine. Amazing when it works, frustrating when it doesn't. Number 2. Brother GX37. This is one of Brother's strongest budget mechanical machines. It offers 37 built-in stitches, automatic needle threader, jam-resistant top bobbin, and excellent stitch quality for zigzag, scallop, and blind hem stitches. The bobbin system is one of the easiest in this price range, and the machine is clearly labeled and beginner-friendly. It handles everyday fabrics beautifully and feels more refined than many competitors. The weak spot is buttonholes. They're inconsistent and take practice. It also struggles with thick, multi-layer denim and doesn't have computerized features. Still, for basic sewing and learning, this machine is reliable and well-balanced. Number 1. Singer MX60. This machine looks simple, lightweight, and beginner-friendly, and in theory, it is. It offers 57 stitch applications, preset stitch settings, a metal frame, and a compact design that's easy to carry and store. But here's the truth. This machine is hit or miss. Some users have a great experience using it for crafts, mending, and light sewing. Others experience frequent bobbin jams, skip stitches, and frustration, especially on thicker fabrics. It's easy to use, affordable, and accessible. But reliability is inconsistent. Because of that, it earns the top spot not because it's perfect, but because it's one of the most commonly chosen beginner machines, for better or worse. If you get a good unit and stay within its limits, it can work well. Just don't expect it to behave like an older, heavy-duty Singer. So that's the full list, the best affordable sewing machines under $150, ranked from 10 to 1. with the good, the bad, and the reality of each one. If you want, I can now help you turn this into a comparison table, a shorter script or YouTube short, a best for beginners versus best for power breakdown, or affiliate-friendly descriptions and timestamps. Just tell me what you want to tackle next.